The ones that we enjoy working with is we like injury care, the difficult cases, so whether that's our athletes that we're dealing with from elementary school all the way up to Olympic athletes, auto injuries, work comp injuries, kind of the trickier cases is what we focused on. My name is Dr. Sean Billings. I am the owner here at Premier Alternative Health. I'm a chiropractor and I've been here since 2002. We're a chiropractic office. We also offer acupuncture, massage therapy, and we do some basic PT, whether it's kinesiotaping and basic exercises too. We do focus on like insurance cases. We're very good at handling insurances, whether it's dealing with attorneys, whether it's dealing with auto injury insurances, work comp, personal insurances. We're really good at those. Just managing those cases. Our staff is set up for that. We do have X-ray on site, so if patients do need that, we can take that here right away.
My name's Jennifer and I've been a patient here for about 10 years. I started coming and doing some maintenance care, and then I got pregnant and he helped me through the pregnancy with my hips were not adjusting right or twisting, and then I've been in car accidents, so he's helped me through my auto repair as well. The staff are great. He's a good listener. He tries to treat you for what you need to be treated for.
My name is Colette and I have been coming here for almost 20 years. We love his personality. He's always concerned in making sure that we have all the correct treatment. I just try to refer everybody I know to him.